Hey everyone, and welcome to T Academy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence here, not just as a futuristic concept, but as something that's already impacting our lives in countless ways, from healthcare to finance, retail to transportation. AI is changing the game across various fields. So buckle up and get ready to explore. Let's start with healthcare, where AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. Imagine analyzing medical images in seconds, identifying potential tumors or predicting patient outcomes. That's the power of AI. Moving on to finance, where AI is keeping our money safe. It can detect fraudulent transactions faster than human eyes, identify risky investments, and even personalize financial advice. It's like having a super smart accountant working for you 24/7. And what about our shopping experience? AI is making it smarter and more personalized. Remember those eerily accurate product recommendations? Yep, AI is behind that, suggesting things you actually want before you even know it. But AI isn't just about convenience. It's also about efficiency and safety. In manufacturing, AI predicts machine failures, preventing costly downtime. In transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality, promising a future with fewer accidents and smoother commutes. Of course, with any powerful technology, concerns arise. Privacy, ethical considerations, and job displacement are important questions to address as AI evolves. But the potential benefits are undeniable, and it's up to us to shape its development responsibly. So what do you think? Is AI the future, or is it something to be cautious about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, AI isn't just science fiction anymore, it's shaping our world today. Let's explore its possibilities together, thoughtfully and creatively.